Okay, Luke, I've got also the shore power hooked up right now. So I'm running the air conditioner inside the cabin. And I'm fixing to go in here and show you the how to start it. And pan down and show the engine. I got the cover off on the inside, and there's the 351 Ford Inmar, and I'm going to crank it. It hadn't been cranked in about 2 or 3 weeks, so this should be a good test for it. So anyway, come over here and I'll show you what switches you need to turn on. Down here are the different interior switches, so I'll go ahead and kick these 3 on right here. But this is the main one. This is the ignition switch. When I turn the ignition switch on, it's going to be ready to start. But here is the transmission. This is forward and reverse, forward and reverse. So you put it in neutral right there. Here's the throttle lever, and when you first crank it, when it's cold, you want to pump it about 3 or 4 times, and then bring it back to idle. Okay, turn the ignition switch on, and then here's the starter switch right here. So it should turn over and start up. That's the alarm. Alright, that started up, and now look at the gauge cluster. We've got the voltage meter. The temperature should come up to around 150 or 160. And then there's the RPM gauge, working good, and here's the oil pressure. So if any one of these give you a bad reading, volts, water temperature, or oil pressure, then you'll get an alarm right here to let you know something's wrong. So those 3 things will give you an alarm. And then here's the hour meter over here. And you know, she idles good, idling about 800 and something RPMs. And then pan down and see the engine running. This is this holds the engine coolant, antifreeze. This is the engine water pump, alternator, and then this is the raw water pump that pumps water in from the outside. And there's the 4-barrel carburetor, and it's got new risers on there, and so it should be good to go. But it runs really smooth. And let's see. Oh, I have a manual over here that came with the boat. I've got the owner's manuals for the Inmar engine for the boat. I've also got a spare starter that I had rebuilt, and also I have some spare impellers for the raw water, because those are easy to change out. And go back and look at the back. I'm going to put the engine in forward gear, and you can see the shaft. And I'm fixing to put it in forward. Alright, now I'm going to put it back in neutral and put it in reverse. it's really not good to run those without being in the water because it takes water and actually lubricates the bushing in there, so it drips a little bit of water from the bushing to help lubricate the shaft. But I'm going to shut it off and start it up one more time. You can either shut it off with the key or this ignition switch. But I'll just do it with the key. When I do, it's going to alarm. So now everything's down. I'm going to crank it again. Keep it in, and also you keep the throttle down here when you're shifting it. You don't want it to be revved up too high. The car's right up and runs smooth. And there, it's got a radio. There's the radio. Here's the VHF radio. There's the GPS. Turn it on, just hit enter that you agree. And then it'll go to the different windows. It's not going to be able to pick up a satellite right now because it's under the cover. Got different pages. Gap finder. So there's different pages you can look at, and just hold it in and it turns it off. Now you can see the temperature has come up to almost to 150. So normal will be a little bit higher than that. And that's about it. Got hydraulic steering. And you can see that the AC's got it, the temperature down in the 70s. That's with the door open, but it's 90 something degrees outside, so the AC's working good. It's got a little fan over here that works good. Little oscillating fan. So anyway, that's about it.